Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will explain how to play good news on guitar. First, identify the main chords used in the song. Then, learn the basic strumming pattern. Finally, practice the chord transitions smoothly. This will help you build a solid foundation for playing the entire piece. We'll break down each step to make it easy to follow along and master this uplifting tune. Let's start with the essential chords. You'll primarily need three main chords: G major, C major, and D major. Focus on clear finger placement for each one, ensuring every string rings out cleanly. Take your time to switch between them slowly, making sure your fingers land in the correct positions every time for a smooth sound. Now, let's tackle the strumming pattern. A simple down-up motion works well for this song. Try to keep your strumming hand relaxed and maintain a consistent rhythm. The key is to make your chord changes happen precisely on the beat, creating a seamless flow. Practice slowly with a steady tempo to build muscle memory and confidence. To truly master good news, consistent practice is crucial. Begin by playing at a very slow tempo, gradually increasing your speed as you feel more comfortable. Using a metronome can greatly improve your timing and rhythm. Dedicate a little time each day to practice, and you'll notice significant improvement in your playing and confidence very quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.